Hello again. Today I've got this lovely all brass Yale 40mm padlock. Beautiful little thing. Fortunately I ain't got a key for it. KG2565. Don't know, I ain't got a clue what that means. But anyway, let's see if we can pick it open. I've got a few all brass locks now without keys. And I have tried to impression keys, but it's not for me. I've just not got the patience for it. So let's see if we can pick this one open. Put a little bit of a movement then. If that on me tension tool slipped. Sometimes you think your core's moving and it ends, it's the tension tool. Obviously if you're coming off it like I am with the pick. They're normally quite easy to pick, these little Yales are, to be honest. They're not normally difficult. I don't even think there's security pins in these. Oh, there you go. Yeah, not a bad little lock to pick. So that's it. A nice little all brass Yale with no key. Shame really, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Try it a bit.